What we've accomplished is we've given the students a basic foundation of understanding how to write with several different programming languages like HTML, Java, and CSS and things like that, using online tools like Azure and GitHub, Visual Studio, to build a website basically. And the theme of the hackathon is that they have to address some sort of global human issue.
There's many ways that students can learn how to code. There's a lot of great resources online. But the way that they're doing this, it's not just sitting in front of a computer and learn how to create a website app. This is so much more than that.
Bringing these three locations together, Brooklyn, Perth, and Derby, was a really great success, and I'd really love to see that happen on a bigger scale next year when we do this, and maybe get more students involved.
We have a relationship with We Connect the Dots that started, I think 2 years ago, when we brought our girls to a DigiGirls conference at Microsoft. And so DigiGirls is an organization that wants girls to be more involved in technology.
The DigiGirls turned into the We Connect the Dots summer workshops. That the first year was one day, we sent one student, and then the second year was a little longer, a couple more students, and then this past summer it was 2 weeks, and we had 14 students go.
Computer teacher told me about it, and he said that it would be a good opportunity to learn more about computers and networking and building websites, and I thought that would be a good idea considering I wanted to do that.
As a computer teacher, I teach them a lot of skills in the classroom, and I try to relate it as much as possible to real-life things that they might encounter. I show them how technology is everywhere in the world. I think it's important that they're not only just hearing it from me, and they experience it in multiple ways besides just the classroom. So having events like these and sending them out there to experience it from a different perspective, I feel is very powerful, especially when it's done like this. I mean, we've never done a hackathon before.
We did this building a bridge contest. We had about 10 minutes to plan, then 20 minutes to build. And since we were two separate groups, we had to connect them, so that we had 8 minutes for it.
Are we gonna 8 inches? No, yeah.
This way. I know.
Yeah, so it's just not gonna happen. Okay. It's holding it. Now it's
We beat you.
The building the bridge, the different roles that the students had to play. I love the day one where they had the students do mind mapping and where they identified who they were and they really got connected. And that was a very individual project activity. And then the next thing that they did was by team. So now it's a little bit bigger. And then this bridge activity is with 2 teams combined. And see how they keep growing their environment and they have their connections with each other.
We went to the PC building one. Lori, she told us about this hackathon, and as soon as we heard about it, we were hooked. As soon as we went home, we kept asking my dad, can you please sign us up for it? This looks really awesome and amazing.
I wish more kids got involved and knew all about this, because it's a great program, and if they all knew, they would really enjoy it.
I always loved technology. I loved how it evolved the world, how it changed everything, how it made the world a better place, and I don't know, I just wanted to be a part of that, and it was growing more and more into the future. So I wanted to have a job and also a passion that I could follow for years on end.
I'm listening to the words that they're using here, community, values, strength, collaboration, and social. I mean, education is a social venture.
So I hope when the students walk away, they have a little more confidence with technology. They'll have gained a lot of great skills. They'll be able to use these skills like in the future for, career opportunities and things like that.